Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into an essential concept in Python programming, type conversion. We will explore how Python handles different data types and the difference between implicit and explicit casting. So, what exactly is type conversion? Simply put, it is the process of converting the value of one data type to another. For example, changing a text string into a number or an integer into a decimal. This is crucial because Python needs to know exactly what kind of data it is working with to perform operations correctly. There are two main ways this happens in Python. First, we have implicit conversion, which is automatic. Second, we have explicit conversion, also known as type casting, which is manual. Let's break down the difference. Implicit conversion is when Python automatically converts one data type to another without you having to do anything. This usually happens when you mix different numeric types. Python promotes the smaller type to the larger type to prevent data loss. Let's look at an example. Here we have an integer x, which is 10, and a float y, which is 10.5. When we add them together, Python automatically converts the integer into a float before adding. The result is 20.5, a float. Python did this work for us. Now, let's talk about explicit conversion, or type casting. This is when you, the programmer, manually force a value to become a specific type. This is necessary when Python cannot figure it out automatically, like when you try to add a number to a string. To perform explicit conversion, we use built-in functions. The int function converts values to integers. The float function converts values to decimal numbers. And the str function converts any value into a string text representation. Here is a common scenario. We have the string 123. We cannot do math on it directly. We must first wrap it in the int function to convert it into a real number. Once converted, we can add 1 to it successfully to get 124. Be careful though. Explicit casting can lead to issues. If you convert a decimal number like 3.99 to an integer, you lose the decimal part completely. It becomes 3, not 4. Also, if you try to convert a word like hello into a number, Python will raise a value error and crash your program. To wrap up, type conversion allows us to change data types. Implicit conversion is automatic and safe for numbers. Explicit conversion requires you to use functions like int, float, or str. Always be mindful of potential data loss when casting manually. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.